equals my Dyson HS01 won't turn on. We're Kelatos IT, experts in technical repairs. We pick up your device right from your door, run a free diagnostic and send you a quote before any repair. No calls, no travel needed. We're located at Calle Joaquin Maria Lopez 26, in Madrid. Link in the description. If your Dyson isn't powering up, it could be a cable issue or internal fault. We replace the cable and check for any other problems to get it working again. If you don't want to risk it yourself, at Kelatos we pick up, fix and deliver right back to your door anywhere. Link in the description.